Hey there, coding champs. Welcome back to Code with PK, where HTML meets humor and CSS joins the fun. Today, we are building something super cool, a search menu. No, I know what you are thinking. Why do I need a search menu when I can just Google everything? We will buy. Well, my friend, if Google didn't have a search bar, we did all be wandering the internet like lost tourists. So today we will create a search menu that not just functional but stylish enough to make your website look like it belongs in a tag fashion show. Ready to add some search bar swag to your project? Let's dive in and code like pros with a pinch of comedy. So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's create our one new project by the name of search menu. So let's create it. If you don't know how to create it, so let's start. First of all, we come on our Visual Studio Code. First of all, let me open my Visual Studio Code from here. Okay, Visual Studio Code. When I open in my Visual Studio Code, now it has been opened. Now, I am creating a new window. Also, you create a new window using the Control Shift and this is the one shortcut key. And not using the shortcut key because I'm not a shortcut. Okay, so click on the file, new file, and the shortcut key is Control Alt Windows N. And right here your file name. I'm giving my file name to index.html. You give the any name to your file, and I'm making this file in my documents. Anywhere you make your file. Now, I'm first of all write doc type declaration, okay, and then we define here HTML. Then here we define body. We are not defining a header section because we do not write a starting code because we do not write anything in the head section. Input type text id my search and then on key up, then my function and then rounded brackets. Perfect. Then you write here placeholder and the placeholder will be search. And then dot dot dot. If you want to write dot dot dot, you will be right. If you do not want to write, so you will not write. Then I'm right here title type in a category. Perfect. Now here we define a UL ID my menu. Perfect. Now here we define enter, then li, then a. In the a we define href and here we define html. Then copy this all the code, and then when you copy this all the code, copy paste 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 paste. So what when you do it, only change the languages like css, then JavaScript, then PHP, then Python, then jQuery, then give him to the SQL, and then give him to the Bootstrap, and then give him to the Node.js. Okay, perfect. Now when we do this, so now we write our CSS code. First of all, let me show you till here where we done it. So till here we have done it. Here you can see it. Our all the items has been came and our search bar has been also became. So let's style it using the CSS. So we write head section to write our CSS code in it. Okay, hashtag my search. Width should be 100% of it, and font size will be 18 pixels of it, and padding should be 11 pixels of it, and then border 1 pixel solid, hashtag DDD of it, and then here we define hashtag my menu, and in the my menu we define list style type should be none, and padding should also be 0, and give the margin should be also be 0. Margin should be also. So let me show you till here where we done it. Till here we have done it. Here you can see it. Now here we come on it here, and then hashtag my menu lia padding 12 pixels, text decoration give the none. When you give the text decoration to the none, so the outline will be gone. Here you can see it. Now, here you give the text color should be black, and then display should be block. Now, we define hashtag my menu, and we add a little bit hover on it. LIA will be hover, and the hover background color should be hashtag E, means white. So now we define our JavaScript code. So we define a JavaScript code in our body element, script, enter, and then here we define like function, my function. Now here we declare our variables, declare variables. Now here we are declaring our variable like var input comma filter comma ul comma li comma a comma I, and then input equals to document dot get element by id, and then my search. Now we filter, in the filter we write input dot value, then dot to uppercase, and then here we define like when we do this, we only want to do it, we come on here, we write ul, then document dot get element by id. Here we write like my menu, and then we define my menu. Then when we do this, we only write here then li ul dot get element by tag name li, and then this. Now here we loop through all the list items, okay, and then we hide those which don't match the search query, okay. For I equals to 0, then when we do this, we write I, then li, the length I plus plus, and then 8 equals to li I, then dot get element by tag name, and then a, and then we write here 0 and this. Now we define here if, then a dot inner HTML, then dot to uppercase, and then we write this in a double rounded bracket, then dot, then index of, then we define dot index of, and the O has been in capital, then write filter without the double commas, and then space it, then greater than sign, then dot 1, then curly bracket like this. Li I dot style dot display equals to like this, and then else li, then I, then dot style dot display equals to none. And then when you do this, you only want to save this file and then run it. So here it has been built. When you write H, so this type PHP Python has been game. When you write P, so the JavaScript bootstrap has been coming. J, so the Node.js has been coming. Or you write A, so the JavaScript bootstrap has been. Q, jQuery and SQL is coming. L, HTML and SQL is coming. T, HTML, JavaScript, Python, bootstrap is coming. Then P, JavaScript is coming. H, Apache, and then N, and then O, B. So you are thinking when we write Q, the Q in the jQuery and SQL is coming. When we writing P, the JavaScript and bootstrap is only coming. In the Q is coming the jQuery and SQL. If you write P is coming the JavaScript and the bootstrap. When you write the Y, so Y will become in the Python and jQuery. When you write M, the M will become in HTML. So like that. Or you want to change this changes in it, it will be also be changed it, okay, like the background color or the hover effect, you will be also be changed it. So in today's video we create one hover menu in the HTML. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. So now boom, your search menu is ready and looking sharp. Now your website users can find what they are looking for faster than you can say. Control F. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, share it with your coding buddies, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. And a whole lot of love. See you in the next video. Happy coding and stay creative.